In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to dropship on Wayfair. Wayfair's supplier program lets established businesses list home products and ship orders directly to customers. I'll guide you through the application so you can move from the home page to approval with confidence. Open your browser and go to wayfair.com. When the page loads, scroll all the way to the footer. In the links at the bottom, select Sell on Wayfair. This opens the program overview where Wayfair outlines who they partner with and the basics of fulfillment and quality expectations. Take a moment to read this page so you understand eligibility, service levels, and packaging standards. On that page, choose Apply, then click Get Started to launch the form. Begin with your business information. Enter your legal business name, operating country, business address, website if available, and a primary contact. Make sure details are complete and consistent. Wayfair uses this to verify your company. You'll then provide additional information about your assortment and operations. Indicate the categories you plan to sell, a rough SKU count, typical price ranges, and how you fulfill. If you ship from your own warehouse or a third-party logistics provider, state your handling time, shipping methods, and ability to provide tracking. Note any relevant product certifications and how you manage returns. Clear, specific answers help demonstrate you can meet Wayfair's customer experience standards. Before you submit, review carefully. Check spellings, addresses, and links. Confirm that your email and phone are correct and monitored, and ensure your information matches any documents you may be asked for later. Consistency can speed up approval. When everything looks right, click Apply now. You should see a confirmation, and the Wayfair team may reach out with follow-up questions. Respond promptly, be ready to clarify your catalog and fulfillment capacity, and keep an eye on your inbox. Once approved, you can now dropship on Wayfair. You'll receive access to the supplier portal where you can add your products, set pricing and inventory, and start receiving orders. You'll ship directly to customers within your stated lead times and upload tracking so buyers can follow their deliveries. Strong inventory accuracy, secure packaging, and on-time shipping will help you earn good performance metrics and more visibility. Keep your lead times realistic and update them during holidays or peak seasons to prevent late shipments. That's the process, start to finish. Head to the site, locate Sell on Wayfair, apply, review, and submit so you can begin drop shipping once approved. Thanks for watching and best of luck with your Wayfair supplier journey.